In the realm of dietary strategies, one particular approach, commonly known as the keto diet, has garnered attention for its potential to revolutionize health and weight management. This eating plan centers around a strategic shift in nutrient intake, placing emphasis on quality fats while significantly reducing carbohydrate consumption. By embracing the keto paradigm, individuals aim to harness the body's remarkable adaptability and potential for improved well-being. Incorporating this approach into our lifestyles has yielded significant success, with individuals from all walks of life shedding pounds in a matter of weeks. Our team has tried this approach to weight loss, and we know firsthand how effective this weight loss program is. Stay tuned as we explain why this approach to weight loss works. Like and subscribe to our channel. The science of fat adaptation. At the heart of the keto approach lies the concept of fat adaptation. Rather than relying on carbohydrates as the primary energy source, this method prompts the body to pivot toward fats. By minimizing carbohydrates, the body's insulin response is subdued, allowing fat stores to be efficiently utilized for energy. The liver produces ketones, molecules that become the body's new energy currency. This shift, devoid of the traditional carb-based energy spikes and crashes, offers a more sustained and even energy supply. In the context of the keto diet, the idea that healthy fats can help you burn fat might seem counterintuitive at first glance. However, this concept is rooted in the unique physiological changes that occur when the body enters a state of ketosis. When you significantly reduce your carbohydrate intake on a keto diet, your body's primary source of energy shifts from glucose derived from carbs to ketones produced from fats. In this state, your body becomes remarkably efficient at using stored fats for fuel. This is where the rule of healthy fats comes into play. Incorporating healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish, provides your body with a readily available source of energy that aligns with the principles of ketosis. When your body recognizes a consistent intake of healthy fats, it becomes more adept at breaking down both dietary fats and stored body fats into ketones. These ketones then serve as fuel for various bodily processes, including energy production and even the function of the brain. Furthermore, consuming healthy fats can contribute to a greater sense of satiety and fullness. Unlike carbohydrates, which can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, fats provide a sustained and steady energy release. This steady energy supply not only helps prevent hunger pangs but also minimizes the likelihood of overeating or consuming excessive calories. It's important to note that while healthy fats are a cornerstone of the keto diet, the overall balance of macronutrients, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates still matters. The effectiveness of this approach lies in maintaining a relatively low carbohydrate intake to sustain ketosis while ensuring an adequate intake of quality fats to meet your energy needs. Reimagining nutrient composition. Central to the keto strategy is the reimagining of nutrient proportions. Rather than relegating fats to the sidelines, they take center stage. High-quality fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish form the cornerstone of this dietary plan. This emphasis on fats is complemented by a moderate intake of lean proteins to support muscle maintenance and health. The sustained benefits. While the primary motivation for adopting the keto nutritional strategy might be weight management, its potential benefits extend beyond that. Many individuals report improved appetite control and reduced hunger, potentially stemming from the stable energy release provided by fats. Moreover, the keto approach has been linked to better blood sugar regulation, which can be particularly beneficial for those grappling with insulin sensitivity. Making informed choices. As with any dietary approach, informed decision-making is key. It's essential to ensure that nutritional needs are met while navigating the keto pathway. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before embarking on such a transformation is highly recommended. This holds particular importance for those with underlying health conditions or unique dietary requirements. A pathway to explore. In essence, the keto dietary philosophy offers a pathway that reimagines how we fuel our bodies. By embracing the strategic balance of fats and proteins while consciously minimizing carbohydrates, individuals may uncover a new approach to energy management and overall wellness. However, the keto journey is highly individual, and what works best may vary from person to person. If you've struggled with persistent weight concerns and felt the frustration of ineffective diets, the keto approach could be the game changer you've been seeking. Imagine breaking free from the cycle of unfulfilled promises and embracing a strategy that aligns with your body's natural mechanisms. It's not just about weight loss. It's about transforming how you view food, energy, and well-being. Take that first step towards a healthier you. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to embark on the keto journey with expert guidance tailored to your unique needs. Your path to sustainable, transformative change starts here. Embrace the possibility, seize control, and watch your journey to a more vibrant you unfold. Ready to get started? Click on the link in the description to grab your free keto recipe ebook. This valuable resource will provide you with the tools and inspiration you need as you take the leap into the world of keto. Your transformation awaits. Don't miss out.